Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the foundation, match sample rates and pick exact devices. Open Windows sound settings and set both mic and output to 48000 HC. Disable enhancements so drivers won't resample. Then in OBS create an audio input capture for your mic and a desktop audio source for system sound. Once done, make sure each source is named clearly. This prevents routing mistakes later. You're not guessing. This step forces consistency between OS, driver, and OBS, which avoids drift and sync issues. Now you actively shape and route audio. Click your mic, add a noise gate to remove room hum, then a compressor to even levels, and a gain filter only if needed. Listen while toggling values. Next, open Advanced Audio Properties. Pick tracks, set monitor off /monitor only /monitor and output as needed, and ensure desktop audio routes to the correct track. Finally, set sync offset in milliseconds for your mic or desktop so voice and picture align. Small adjustments, big payoff. Finish with verification and a single troubleshooting mantra. Test, observe, fix. Record a 30-second clip while monitoring headphones. Inspect waveforms for clipping and watch OBS meters for peaks. If you hear delay or pops, lower audio buffer in your audio interface or a CO panel, update drivers, or switch sample rate between 44, 100, and 48, 000 and retest. Make sure OS and OBS match. If problems persist, open OBS logs and search for audio device errors. Then restart OBS after changing drivers or device settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.